Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to share question responses on your Instagram story. So if you see a lot of people right now, they share the responses that they get from putting the questions emulation into their stories on Instagram. So I'm going to show you guys how to share those responses. It's really easy to do. So if you just head over to Instagram and you go over to your story where you have the question, just like this, and so whenever you post one of these with the questions in it, if you click on your who's seen your story at the bottom, you'll see there's a bunch of responses to your question here. So all you have to do to share it out to your story, like you see a lot of people do, is just click on the little toggle that says reply. And then it will give you a couple options to reply. So you can either message them directly, share response, or delete response. So if you want to share it onto your stories, you want to click on share response. And then you could share it over here. And then if you want to post it to your story as well, you could just click on a recording or take a picture. And then you can go ahead and upload it to your story. And then if you exit back out, you'll notice that you have the response put onto your story, just like this. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you how to share question responses on your stories. If this was helpful to you, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.